filming My Konami Freeplay, and I am playing Huff and More Puff Power 4. And I have $25 Freeplay activated. I put in $5. So let's see how we do. Come on. Oh, that's a bummer up there. Again, just teasing. Look at that. Yes. All right, here we go. Let's get the mansion. Or the buzzsaws. Buzzsaw? All right. Grand would have been nice too. Well, that's nice over there. Okay, let's see. Come on, hats. Red hat. Ooh, and a re-trigger. Nice. Come on, red hat, red hat, red. Yes. That unlocked the one over here. I think it has already wood houses. Ooh, oh my goodness. All the re-triggers. That's a lot. Oh, we got some mansions. Okay, 2 more to unlock that, but that one doesn't have very much. But now we got some wood houses. Come on. Okay, piggies are being very kind to me. Oh my goodness. All the re-triggers. And we unlocked that? Okay. But that doesn't have anything up there. Oh my goodness, another mansion. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my God. How many mansions is that? Last spin on this one. This one has another game. That has 3. Oh no, that's done. So we got one more spin here and 3 games up there. Oh my God. So far we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 mansions? I honestly don't have words right now. Oh my God. Let's see what happens. Hey, Mr. Wolf. Hot breath all over it. Nervous right now. Any coins? 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 Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So we got 2 double times 2. Oh my goodness. I'm not even sure how much that is because my brain can't do math right now. Oh my god. This is the best free play conversion I've ever had. And I still have $5 left. Oh my god. Stop it. Oh my god. That's insane. All right, let's finish this up. That was insane. Will I hit another one? That would be nice. I have like 2 more spins left. Okay, we'll do one more. I have $1 left, so we'll do one more. All right, that is my best conversion ever. I can't believe it. I think this is my lucky machine at Bellagio. Wow. I am doing my next My Konami Freeplay on Little Piggies World Class. This is their new version. There's a wheel and all this, and they're fat. So we're gonna do the same thing. I have $25. I put $5 in. I think I'll do 150 spins, and we'll see how we do. Oh, they got smaller. Maybe we won't. Let's do 75 because he's big. All right, we're gonna do 75 cents. Here we go. Like those things to pop. That would be great. I don't know what the, oh, that goes through the, oh. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Oh, it added money to the top of the wheel. Okay, I got it. I thought it was gonna pop. I got all excited there. Ooh. I think that might be good. I don't know. Oh, no, it wasn't. You would think all those diamonds would be more than 75 cents. This guy needs a pop. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He needs a pop. Oh my goodness. All right. He just got bigger, that's all. I got a little bit of a line hit. Okay. We got $4.75 left in free play. Hoping he was gonna pop. I thought he was gonna do it, but they blocked me over here. Okay, this is gonna be the last spin. So I'm cashing out at $11.10, so that's $6.10 profit. That's more realistic than what happened at Bellagio. So on to the next free play. This is my third My Konami Freeplay, and please excuse the very loud cows behind me. I got very loud machine behind me. Great Legends, and this is the King one. I've never played this before, but I've seen other people play it. I'm doing the same thing. I put $5 in. I have $25 of free play. Let's see how that does. $1 a spin. So what you need is you need a coin, and then you need either this guy all the way across, but it has to connect with him. Darn it. See, that would have been great if it was right there. They want their cows back. I think you need 3 of the flags to trigger a bonus. We got some 10s across to him. He's also a wild, I think. Oh, darn it! Darn, darn, darn. Oh my God. Why can we connect there? Oh my goodness. I feel like he wants to, but it's not going to happen. Well, we got a little bit of a line hit. more spins of free play. Oh my God. Yes. I want to bonus so bad. So I think a dragon comes and goes like that, and you can get a hold and spin maybe. But we'll see what happens. Here it comes. Oh, press start. Dragon, 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 dragon. No hold and spin. And that's what you get. Alright, we're at 25, and I think I have $1 left. I do. One more spin. Okay, so I am cashing out at $25.88. The My Konami is something you can use no matter what hotel you're staying at. It's off of the My Vegas or the My Vegas Pop, and you don't have to be staying at the hotel, and you can use up to 4 in a trip. So this was fun. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and until next time.